Hey, come on, let's solve the Rubik in just few minutes. Watch the video till end, you'll know how to solve it in an easy way. So let us make the white cross. Yeah, now the white cross has been done. Let's move for the corners. Ta-da! Now we're in the first layer. Next move for the second layer. Just do this. Now you got the second layer. Let's move for the third layer. First we need to get the yellow cross. Once we got yellow cross, we need to match the middle cubes with the same color. Now you matched it. Let's move the corners. As the corners are in their position, let's see the color what they have. Just do this. Now your Rubik is solved. Ta-da!